G'day folks, this is Dan, and this is a demonstration of KASAccess's new functionality, push notifications. What push notifications allow you to do is automatically send entry notifications through to either admin accounts on mobile phone, staff accounts on mobile phone, or guest accounts on mobile phone, or all three of those at the same time. So first things first, you need to make sure that you have the new KASAccess mobile phone app installed. If you're not sure, just uninstall it and re-download it from the App or Play Store as need be. When you open the app, it will ask you, do you want to allow push notifications? Just click the OK button to that and then log into your account. From a mobile app perspective, that's all that you need to do. I should point out that you can have the same account logged into multiple different phones, and the push notifications will be sent to all of the phones that have that account logged into. Again, you need to make sure that you've got the current app on each of those mobile phones and that you've enabled push notifications within your mobile phone's app settings. Okay, so let's get started within KASAccess. First things first, you need to enable push notifications on the locks in question that you wish to receive notifications for. So in this case, 9831 I've got sitting right next to me. If you just go onto ACRs and locks, click on the lock in question, and you'll notice this new section down the bottom, push notification setting. We've got three options: allow push notifications for admin, for guest, and for staff. So you can check these as you see fit. Guest is not so commonly used, although when you do have it enabled for guest, it will be sent through to the guest whose PIN number was used on the lock. So if I create a PIN code 1234 for a guest user, and that guest user logs into the mobile app using their identifier for the login, then whenever their PIN code 1234 is used on the lock, in this scenario a notification will go through to the system admin, through to the guest, and through to any of the staff accounts that we have that are logged into the mobile phone app. So once you've set up these options as you see fit, hit the save button. Now with the staff, you can obviously have multiple staff accounts set up on your system, and each of those staff members can have their own login. So you may find a situation where there are certain staff you want to exclude from the push notification, and you can do that via the users tab. If we just search for staff to filter out staff users, we've got a whole bunch of staff users here. Let's just say this particular person we want to exclude from push notifications. We just choose this option here. Now these push notifications will not go through to any of the locks that aren't in this list in this particular scenario, or I can invert that logic. They will only go through they will only go through to locks that are in this list, or if I invert the logic, it will not go through to any of the locks in this list. It allows you to basically hide certain locks from certain staff users. Okay, so now that we've done that, it's just a matter of testing this functionality. I'm logged into the admin account on a number of phones. So I've just done an unlock, a PIN code unlock on the test lock 9831, and you should hear in a few moments, it can take about 30 seconds, we should hear the push notifications arrive on the mobile phones. And there we go. So push notifications have now come through to the mobile phones, and yeah, it just advises you that someone or a particular person has entered a particular lock. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, just let us know.